Oh, jeez. Just stalled that. Oh my goodness. And now I've put on the high beams accidentally. Okay. Hi. Oh. Shoot. Sorry, can I just ask? Sorry, that's okay. That's okay. I guess it's this way. It's actually pretty shocking to me that I'm riding these roads on a motorcycle. This time last year, I never, ever thought that I'd be getting my motorcycle license or my own motorcycle. And I only ever traveled these roads by bicycle, which is also fantastic, or sometimes by a car. I never thought I'd be traveling by motorcycle, and it's a lot of fun. I must say, you get to cover lots and lots more ground with a motorcycle than on a bicycle, and you're still out in the fresh air and feeling the elements as opposed to being in a car. So I'm very thankful that I chose to get my license, and that I was also that I also had an excellent, patient, and thorough teacher in Mr. Different Spokes. He was very patient and he taught me well. That and my motorcycle course, which I took 2 months ago, and I still have lots and lots to learn, and definitely a lot of the skills are not second nature yet. I'm still thinking about a lot of the things, but I am getting better, and these roads definitely make it much more enjoyable than in the city. Most of my riding up until now in the last 2 months has been in Toronto, and Toronto has a lot of construction on the roads in the springtime and in the early summer. So whenever I was riding in the city with Mr. Different Spokes, it took us more than an hour to get out of the city because of all the traffic and all the construction. So this is lovely, really, really lovely. I just got my motorcycle license, my M2 motorcycle license, about 2 months ago. And so far I am loving motorcycling. Like I said, this is my first solo long ride. This area is called the Madawaska Valley. time I go around a curve, I keep saying to myself, look ahead, look into the turn, look into the turn. I am getting better. I'm getting a lot of practice, especially with these curvy roads. Some beautiful rock there, the Canadian Shield. Wow, that's some wind. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm squeezing the tank with my thighs. Don't know if that will help at all, but I'm sort of hoping it will help to keep me more stable. My gosh, strong wind. I always have to keep remembering going up these steep hills, shift down. A couple days ago I was going up a steep hill and I was saying to myself, I'm going up the hill, so I started shifting up instead of down. And then I started thinking, oh my gosh, there's something wrong with the bike. It's losing its power, it's losing its momentum. Well, very soon I figured out I was shifting the wrong way. Those are still little things that are not completely automatic to me. Wow, this is a beautiful road. Beautiful. Wow, it is really lovely here. I've ridden this road with Mr. Different Spokes on our bicycles a couple of years ago, and I remembered how beautiful it is, and it sure is lovely. It's amazing though how much quicker you get here on a motorcycle than on a bicycle. That's for sure. Just gonna take it really easy here. I definitely don't want to drop my bike. Thank you for watching and joining me on this little first time long ride on my own. And please like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the little bell so that you will be notified for more fantastic videos from Different Spokes TV. Take care.